Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Angels Delight Bath Bomb, one of their Christmas releases. And today I have my little bath helper. Jackson's putting it in the tub today, and Raylan threw an absolute fit. She doesn't care that she's done the last 10 of them. How dare her brother put the bath bomb in the tub. But this one I let the kids use for their bath because it is a smaller bath bomb. It's 3.5 ounces. I like to keep like the bigger ones for myself and like the smaller ones for them. And though it's only 3.5 ounces, it lasted a very long time in the tub. I was pretty impressed because there's other companies that have bath bombs that are more than twice the size of this one and fizz out way quicker. And the Angels Delight Bath Bomb does cost $5.95. And I was looking at the reviews on it. There was lots of complaints that it stained their tub and or their skin. Typically, if your tub is like glossed, it's not going to stain it. It might leave some pigment or some oils, but they rub like right out with a paper towel. But I have had issues with my old tub, like the glossing on it kind of came off on certain areas and pigment would stick to that. So, but I haven't really had anything actually permanently stain my tub. This one did tint the skin on my kids' hands and feet pink. It was slightly noticeable, not too bad. But yeah, anytime you have really fluorescent pinks, that's always a possibility that it can tint your skin a little. But this definitely did smell good. It's supposed to smell like fruit punch. It has tangerine and orange oils in it. I feel like it smelled more like that maybe than fruit punch, or what I think of fruit punch. But it did smell really good. And there was some plastic-free gold luster in the tub. So the water up close looked pretty cool. And when it got done dissolving, there was just a tiny little piece of yellow left. This is what the water looked like. It was orangish pink, very fluorescent looking. But as always, love their bath bombs. I have a couple more Christmas ones to share with you. So if you'd like to see them, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.